A couple months ago, I made a video updating you guys on my hair transplant, which was the official 2-year update. I also let you guys know that I was starting a new hair journey with Copenhagen Grooming. This is the second installment of that journey. In this video, we'll be looking at how much progress I've actually made so far. If you're new to the channel, I am Rio, and here we discuss men's style and fashion topics designed to help you guys look and feel your best. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and set notifications to all so you'll be notified for future videos. So if you saw my last hair video, which again was my 2-year hair transplant update, I talked about my new hair and beard journey. This new journey is with Copenhagen Grooming. Now the focus has been on 2 main areas, my hairline and the slightly patchy areas in the cheeks of my beard. Now if you didn't see the previous video, the products and supplements I've been using for the hairline has been what is called the moon roller. This is a microneedle roller that has 1140.5 millimeter titanium needles. This is to be used every few days. Personally, I've just been using it twice a week. I've been following that up with the activated serum, which is to be used daily. I've primarily been using this at night about an hour or so before I go to sleep, allowing it a chance to properly dry and not end up all over my pillow. And aside from that, I've been taking these capsules, which is an all-natural dietary supplement for hair. That essentially is a process I've been following to strengthen my transplanted hairline. For the beard, the process has primarily been the same, just with some different products. For the beard, we have this right here, which is called the beard roller. This one has 540.5 titanium needles, also to be used every few days, just like the moon roller. And I've pretty much been using them one after another one. So again, just twice a week I've been using this. And I've been following that with this beard serum. And again, this goes on after you've used the beard roller. However, this one is also to be used daily. And again, I just use that about an hour or so before I go to sleep. For the supplements for the beard, I've been taking what is called the Sidekick. And this is an all natural beard growth supplement. And that's the process I've been following to achieve more fullness and density of my beard. What have the results been like in the past couple months? As far as the hairline, honestly, this one was more of a shot in the dark. Using it on my hairline was something I was just trying out, mainly because that's an area of only transplanted hair. And when I started, I don't know if you guys remember, I mentioned that I didn't know if I would see the results. And it's hard for me to quantify how much results I've actually had with the hairline. One of the reasons because I forgot to do a proper before shot. Over time, I feel like I've seen the hairs be a little bit thicker. Now, I don't know if I've grown any new hair follicles. If I'm being honest, that's kind of hard to determine that. But I do feel like the hair along my hairline is definitely fuller. At least it appears to look fuller to me. So maybe I did grow some new hair. It's kind of hard to say, but visually it feels like it looks fuller, at least to me it does. For the beard, I feel like I've definitely noticed a significant difference. Primarily, I've been using it mainly in this area, in the cheek area, of course on both sides. I chose that area because it was somewhat patchy. It didn't have proper fullness and density. And I feel like now it's noticeably fuller than it used to be. I'm still using it in that area, but I've also extended it along my jawline right down here because I didn't have the best growth in that area. So I'm gonna try to strengthen that as well. I think this side is a little bit fuller than this side. So I'm gonna start working in that area and kind of see if I can get that to be a bit fuller. Now, it is the time of the week to go through this entire regimen. I did it in the first video, so I'm gonna do it again for you guys just so I can show you how I've been using the products. And I'll put it on the time lapse so you don't have to sit and watch the entire thing. But to give you guys a general idea, I just kind of go over it. And when I'm actually doing it, so it's not just boring and dead space, I'll go ahead and speed it up. We start with the moon roller in the hairline. So I'm gonna start there and then we'll finish up with the rest of it. So I always hit it with the cleanser before and after every use, just to make sure everything is good with it. All right, I actually forgot my mirror upstairs, so I gotta use my little monitor here. But if you can look on my hairline, man, like it actually, you may not remember the before, but I'll put a side-by-side clip. To me, it looks fuller. So we're just gonna go in the hairline. And I just pretty much do this for about a minute and a half, 2 minutes along the hairline. pull the hair back so it doesn't snag so easily. All right, and that's good enough. And we're gonna hit it with the cleanser after use. And now we're gonna hit it with the activator. All right, now that's essentially it for the hair. Now we're gonna switch over to the beard roller, and we have the cleanser for that. And again, I just spray before and after, and then we go into the beard. All right, and we're gonna hit it with the cleanser one more time. Now we're gonna go in with the beard serum. I'm also putting a little bit on my mustache. I've been trying to get that a little bit fuller, right in around the top area. So adding a little bit of love to that area. That's it, it's really that simple. I'm gonna follow up with the supplements. So we have the Sidekick for the beard, and then the capsules for the hair. And that's it, that's the regimen, that's what I've been doing. Again, the moon roller and the beard roller twice a week. The activator serums for the hair and the beard, that's been a daily thing. Do it about an hour or so before I go to bed. And yeah, it's just that simple. The supplements I also take daily as well. That was my update, the second installment of this. What do you guys think of the results so far? Do you see a difference? Feel free to let me know what you think down below in the comment section. Now, I'll be updating you guys once more in about a month and a half with another video to notify you guys of any more progress. Between now and then, I'll be having some more content dropping, so be on the lookout for that. That does it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.